Max the dog.
He's eyeballing me, isn't he? Yeah. Eh?
Do you have a day job?
I'm getting a van driving job in 2 weeks' time.
Did you ever see Pudsey, who won the show?
Absolutely, Simon,
I mean,
yes.
are you and Max as good as that?
I reckon me and Max are just as good as that, yes.
Oh, look at him.
What a cutie.
He's not so cute, believe me.
And how long have you been preparing for this?
5 years, Simon.
Oh, wow. OK, well, good luck.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come here. Max.
And it's coming, please.
Fine, it's fine. What's his problem with me? Yeah, come here. What? I love dogs. What? What? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you afraid? What's the matter?
Is that it? Is it gone?
Max, look, look.
What's the matter? All right, okay.
He's going for his face.
I what?
Come on. Bring him back on
There
to
you are,
me.
there you are. Good boy. Are we friends? Are we friends? Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Are we friends? There we are, here we are. Come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. What's his problem?
Come here.
Come on. Oh, boss. Okay.